These metals here, see, I hold it and my entire hand disappears. These ones here, see, it's called D20. D20, this one. See how I hold it? It's huge. Okay, you can tell. Good evening guys, my name is Marwa. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Actually today I've not been feeling so well, so for that case the video will be really different. It won't have drone shots or anything. These are our wheelbarrows here. See, our number 1 is here. I can't see our number 2. Oh, it's right there. That's our number 2, you can tell. And see, there is a number 8 here. Yes, so I want to show you what we've done today. So today, this is where we are. Actually, this is where we are right now as we speak. So today we had to put this, the small slab. We added a slab here, okay, and another slab right here. These slabs are because we have some balconies here. Okay, there will be balconies running right here. You see how tall that metal, those two metals are coming out. And also we have another balcony here, okay, right here. You see all this side. And we had to put this slab because we need to create something like this concrete. Because with that type of concrete, we are able now to put these trees or posts. We call them T's, okay? Call them T's. So this is what you're seeing here. And it's been raining a lot, so I have an umbrella here. You can tell, lots of water here. Lots of water. Even inside here, you can tell it's been raining a lot. You know, it's leaking. Yes. And all this, we are ready now for the slab. But let me take you upstairs. Yeah, now we are able to see upstairs. Let me take you upstairs to show you where we are. This will be just a casual video, super casual video, you know, unedited. You know, these are those called raw videos, unedited videos. Oh man, let's go upstairs. These are the metals already. They are running all over. You see, ready to be. Let me step here. Wow. Yes, now you see, today we put metals here, or bars. You see, they are here. They are not in order, just aligning them. You can tell, I don't know if you can see them. They are right here. And we've been aligning them, ready for the job. That's where we are right now. Yes, we are going now to the next big step tomorrow. See, these are small ones. They are putting them here. See, they are very hey, my friend, real concrete. No joke, not concrete, I mean real slab. You see, so you can tell the metals are running, or the bars are running. And this other side, remember, we already prepared for the sand. This is the sand, and that's the ballast right there. And already the beams are passing. These are the beams. You see now how they are passing. Still, this is just the start, you know. I'm told these ones will be going that way, others will be going this way, okay? You can tell. And yeah, tomorrow we shall be fixing that place, this place, and this other side. And look at these metals, man. See? Hey. Whoa. You see this? See that? Hey, no joke. They are still working on them, you see? These beams. Wow, look at that. Like, it's crazy, man. We're gonna tie them like with no joke. See that? So, and it's running from the first beam right there, or pillar. It goes to the other end, farthest end. And also you can tell even this one right here running, you see? This one's here. You can tell. They are no joke. They are running like crazy. So tomorrow we shall be aligning them. And once we align them, and also we put the balconies, you see? Yeah. There are two, you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, okay, 7. Wait. Actually, I'm wrong. Look. Hey, let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, man. Ho, 10. 10 of them. 10. Wow. Okay. Oh, there's an overlap here. There's an overlap somewhere here. But technically, it's a very small. Yeah, it's actually 10. The only space I'm seeing missing is right here, where it's only this part they are missing. But hey, yeah. So, but also this distance from there, okay, to that point is no joke. That tells you tomorrow also we shall have to put another one that way. And also even this distance here, we have to put some. Yes. Yeah, this is how construction is. Literally building the nation or building Africa. This is how you do it. Also this other side, similar scenario. See these metals here? See, I hold it and my entire hand disappears. These ones here. See? It's called D20. D20, this one. See how I hold it? It's huge. Okay, you can tell. Yes. So these two, they're called D20s. Huge and mega. And yeah, this is where we are. You can see now each part of the house, you can tell. And tomorrow we shall start building the stairs. These are the stairs you see from there. We shall start creating the stairs right here. Okay. Yes, it's mega, it's big, it's huge. See, we're doing everything we can. And it's been raining a lot, so that's one of our challenges we are facing right now, because it's raining like really a lot, and that means when it's raining we don't have to work, like the masons have to stop. But I'm really praying hard like we can be able to at least put the slab here before the end of this week, so that 1st of April I start counting the official days. Okay, yes, this is the end of the slab right here. So from here it goes up to that side. You can tell how the metals are already running in the house like crazy, man. Actually, it's a huge blessing for me, and I feel really humble, like at least we are at this stage. Just the other day we were just struggling with the foundation, but one thing I didn't know was how this house was big. Like, I saw it on paper at first. Even when we were digging the foundation, I was like, it's just a regular house. But when I stand here, okay, right here, and I look back that way, I'm like, man, it's not a small house. I think even if somebody is somewhere there, you may call them and they may not hear you. Like, it's actually huge. It's big. It's mega. You know, the thing you should understand is we have to build Africa. If we really want our kids to grow and grow without thinking of Europe as a place to save their lives or to give them a better life, then we have to build Africa. There's no shortcut. And the only sure way is like this. Remember, at the end of the day, this house will stay here forever. Meaning my kids, my grandkids will not struggle that much trying to create. Maybe for them, they will start maybe adding small ones here and maybe maintaining swimming pools. And, you know, and I will have already created. I always feel like Africa's problem, okay? Africa's problem is us. Africa's problem is you, actually, you and me, and the other guy who does not want to put work right now. Or maybe those guys leaving, the youngsters leaving Africa and going to Europe to look for a better or a green pasture. You're part of the problem. Trust me, you're putting the next generation in a limbo, you know, in a situation where it's very, like they have to follow what their dad did, because their dad went to Europe to look for it. So that's what I'm trying to say, you know. Dreams are right here. Build Africa. Let's build Africa. And we are doing it. We are doing it the way you sing it. Like, we are doing it. And this is how you do it. Okay? This will be a mega mansion here. Very chill, very kind, very nice, you know, where you just come and stay and feel the breeze. Very fresh air, my friend. Very fresh air coming in. Green and lush. Huge fields. You see? That's what I'm trying to say. Actually, you should understand. Come back home and build Africa with me. Help me build Africa. I build this mansion here. Another guy builds it right there. Another one right there. The other one right there. Already we have a gated community and a very beautiful one. Okay? Wow. I'm having an umbrella here with me. That's because I've already told you it's been raining a lot. But the house is big. You guys see, the house is big. Yes. And there will be some verandas here. How do you call them? Balconies. There will be balconies here, you see. So we had to cover this with these bags of cement like that. That's because it may rain and this place is still wet. So we don't want any interference. That's why it is like that. But actually, I forgot to show you on the other side. It's already moving on the other side here. Let me show you this balcony. Yes, the house is big. It's big. It's mega. You can tell. We are still aligning metals. Okay. Yeah, you see? There's a balcony here, you see? That's a balcony right there. It's coming out. Yes, you can tell. There's a balcony we just added here. Okay, it's a balcony right there. Yeah, the house is big. It's big, man. We have to add another balcony right there, so it's gonna extend. Anyway, guys, I want to say thank you so much for always supporting I Am Marwa. This video will be like this. It will be the end of this video. Actually, what I'm trying to say is come back in Africa and let's build Africa. And you don't have just to be African for you to do that. Yes, people have investors. And that being said, Europe was not just constructed by Europeans. People from all over the world, or United States of America. They are blacks, Asian. Come build Africa. Come help us here. Yes, and we are doing it. The thing is, we are doing it. You can tell. We are actually doing it with all means possible, okay? Yes. Thank you so much, guys. I think I'll end the video there, and I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Maybe the next video will be more nice, and you'll see more progress than just right here. Yes. Thank you, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Share this video to support your boy, I Am Marwa. Goodbye from Africa. Kwaheri kutoka Afrika. Kwaheri. Do I need to party here in Jamaica? Marwa.
My name is
Okay, we are in Hawaii.
Griffith Observatory in Los Angeles.
So I'm officially saying goodbye to Japan. As you see here, welcome to Japan.
Eres, Elisa?
Soy de España.
I'm heading to